What you got, Ted?
I got this sauce, amazing thing. Come see what it is.
What is it?
Bird poop.
Where? Let's see.
There. There, bird poop.
Oh, there's bird poop up there. Yeah. And where else did you find it?
Oh no, Henry's going out there.
Oh, well, let's see. Where else did you find it, Ted?
Right there.
Ice cube.
Yeah, icicles.
Icicles. Wow. Uh-oh, you better show this guy around the yard all the bird poop. He wants to see what's doing. Go show him.
Oh wow.
That's for you. It's a pumpkin tonka. Oh, look at the turtle on the...
Hey, no, I can't.
Oh, there should be more.
I don't want Henry to get it.
I don't either.